Hello Taurus, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a general love reading for you. It is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. But if it resonates with you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. What is going on with Taurus? Spirits, what is going on with Taurus? What is going on with Taurus? Okay, so there are certain things that are hidden from you. There are certain things that are hidden from you, and I don't know, you feel very trapped, okay? You feel very trapped. You don't know what to do. You feel very trapped in this situation because you don't know certain things, okay? There are some secrets that are hidden from you, and you don't know what all is happening, and you feel very trapped. You want justice, okay? You want the person that you're dealing with. I believe that they are acting very differently, okay? One day they are good to you, and the other day they treat you like you mean nothing. So you want justice, and by justice I mean that you want them to make a particular decision, okay? You want them to decide whether they want to be with you or not, okay? You want them to make a decision that whether they want this relationship or not, because you are someone who is offering them, this is your card, Taurus. So you are someone who is offering them a long term commitment, stability, and you are a very practical person, and you don't like to play these mind games with people, okay? And since the other person that you're dealing with, also energies can be vice versa or interchangeable, so please keep that in mind. So the person that you're dealing with, they are having some secrets, okay? They are maybe telling you half truth, or they are not telling you anything, and this is creating problems in your relationship, okay? This is creating problems in your relationship, and you feel very trapped from the inside, okay? You don't know what all is going on. You don't know how your person feels, because you're very upfront, okay? You always say it on the person's face that whatever is happening, or whatever you're thinking, or whatever is going on in your mind, you like to say it on their face, okay? But the person that you're dealing with, they are sort of playing games with you, and you want justice, okay? You want justice. By justice, as in that you want it to be a relationship of balance, and you want truthfulness, okay? You want the truth to come out, and what I believe is that the truth will definitely come out, okay? You will know about the secrets that your person is hiding from you, but right now you feel very trapped, okay? What is going on with Taurus? Okay, what is going on with Taurus? Okay, so you feel trapped because I think you have this thing in your mind that your person has other options, okay? That your person is dealing with multiple people, they are talking to multiple people. So maybe this is why you feel blindfolded, that you don't know the truth, okay? You don't know what is going on, and you think that your person is having other options, they're talking to other people. Okay, if the secrets won't come out, if the person that you're dealing with won't tell you the truth, or they won't make a direct decision, then I believe that you will walk away from this relationship. You will take your love, you will take your commitment, you will take your stability and everything, and you will simply walk away from this relationship, okay? Because Taurus are very upfront, okay? And they don't like to deal with people who play mind games or who try to manipulate them. You always wanted a happy home, okay? You always wanted a happy relationship, and you're definitely going to get that, okay, because justice is being served. If someone is playing games with you, karma will look at that, okay, karma will work with that. And you definitely want a happy home, you definitely wanted a happy home, you definitely wanted a happy relationship with this person. Maybe you wanted to have you wanted to get married to them, you wanted to have their children. So justice will be served, okay. See, that's what I said, that you are simply offering them to tell you the truth. You're simply offering them to give you a direct answer, okay. You're not in the mood to play games, and you don't want this to be something that disturbs your peace of mind, okay. So you're very upfront, you're simply offering them that please tell me the truth, okay, please tell me the truth so that I can make a decision, because this is causing a lot of trouble in your mind. And also at the bottom of the deck we have the 10 of swords. So I think you feel backstabbed, okay, you feel backstabbed because the person that you're dealing with, I don't know, you feel very backstabbed, okay. You don't know that whether the person that you're dealing with is telling you the truth or not. And this is like, this has changed everything that you felt for them, okay. All the feelings that you had for them, maybe they have broken your trust multiple times, and that's why you want a straight answer. You simply want them to tell you whether they want this relationship or not, whether they want this thing to work or not, okay. Even if they don't want it to work, then they should simply tell you, because so that you can move on, okay. You can move on towards your happy ending. You won't hold on to them forever. That's not who you are, okay. What is going on with Taurus? What is going on with Taurus? What is going on with Taurus? Sorry. A lot of swords, so you might be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. See, that's what I told you. You're going to move on because you want a happy beginning. You want a happy life, okay. You're not ready to tolerate the games that they're trying to play. If there are secrets in your relationship, if something is hidden from you and the person that you're dealing with is not telling you the truth, then you will simply walk away from that, okay, because you deserve a happy life. You deserve a fresh beginning, okay. You deserve a fresh start with someone who is going to be truthful towards you. So there is definitely confusion because you feel very trapped actually, Taurus. You feel really trapped. See, you feel very trapped, okay. There's a lot of confusion in your mind because the person that you're dealing with is not telling you what all they want, okay. If simply they will choose a side, if simply they will choose a side, then all this will be over. All this will be over. You're overthinking about it. You're overthinking about these things. You're having sleepless nights, and you're just thinking and thinking and thinking that what this person wants, because they are not giving you a clear answer. And you're getting very defensive, okay. You're getting very defensive about your peace, okay. You want to have peace, okay. You want answers. You want them to tell you things. You want them to share things with you, and then they can choose a side because you're very defensive of your energy. You're very defensive of your peace. So I believe that you will receive the answers soon, I hope, because the only way to get answers is to contact the person directly, okay. Ask them directly that please tell me what do you want. Please don't create any confusion in my mind, okay. That is not good for you. That is causing you a lot of pain. What is the advice for Taurus? What is the advice for Taurus from the universe? What is the advice for Taurus from the universe? What is the advice for Taurus from the universe? Okay, so your advice is the Page of Pentacles, the Star, and the Nine of Wands. So your wish for a happy home, okay, your wish for a happy home, for a stable relationship, for a long-term commitment is coming true. Okay, someone is definitely going to offer you that. Maybe the person that you're dealing with, they are going to make a choice and you will be the one they will choose. Okay, whatever you wish for is going to come true. If you wish to let this person go, then that will come true. Okay, whatever you wish for is going to come true, and whatever happens is going to be good for you. Okay, because you have fought your battle. Okay, you have fought your battle, you have done whatever you could do for this relationship. You tried to talk things out, you tried to make things work, and now it depends on that the other person, that what they want. Okay, whether they want this relationship to work or not, whether they are ready to leave their options, if there are any, behind or not. Okay, whether they are ready to tell you the truth or not. But you will definitely get a wish fulfillment. Okay, whatever you wish for is going to come true. You have fought half the battle. Just you have to stay strong and believe in yourself. Okay, what is the challenge for Taurus? What is the challenge for Taurus? What is the challenge for Taurus? Page of Wands. Challenge is the Page of Wands. I believe you're thinking a bit immaturely. Okay, you're thinking a bit immaturely, and you are disturbing your peace of mind because of a situation. And I believe that the universe wants you to just have faith. Okay, whatever is right for you will happen. Just pray and believe in yourself. If you didn't do bad to anyone, then nothing bad will happen to you. Okay, good things will come to you. You just have to have faith. Okay, and please don't act immaturely. Think properly. Okay, don't act immaturely. Just think properly. Okay, that is all for today, Taurus. I'll see you next time. Bye.